During a week's visit to London on Friday the 13th of September 2024, I decided to try my luck at filming trains operated by South Western Railway. My main objective was to record the Class 455s before their final withdrawal from service. Following a bit of constant refreshing on real-time trains during the early hours of the morning, I found that the British Rail Blue and Grey Class 455868 was allocated to the Kingston Loop. Deciding to concentrate on that area, I scrambled out of bed and made a bit of a mad dash towards the Central Line station at Ruislip Gardens. Following a quick change onto the Jubilee line at Bond Street, I arrived at Waterloo with just 10 minutes to spare. I departed aboard 868 from the former Eurostar platforms. Nicknamed Spanners because of its Golden Spanner Maintenance Award, 868 was painted into the BR colour scheme to celebrate the retirement of the 455s. It was also the livery that these trains first entered service with from 1982. It's a bit of a lottery to find out which services this unit operates, as the 455s seem to be used on anything and everything, as long as the destination isn't Weymouth or Portsmouth. As nice as it would have been to experience the novelty of doing a full journey from Waterloo to Waterloo on just one train, I discovered that it would take quite a bit of a chunk out of my day, so I sensibly decided to exit the train at Mortlake. On the day of filming, a number of the brand new Class 701 units were out on test. These trains are set to replace the 455s, but their introduction has been significantly delayed by a complex range of technical issues. They were also forced to go into storage over pandemic uncertainty, and this only protracted their introduction further. The 445s were refurbished between 2004 and 2008. Work included brighter interiors, automated passenger information systems, and provisions for wheelchair users. In 2013, work was also carried out to replace their English Electric DC traction motors with Flosh AC motors. Apart from the added high-pitched squeal, the deep whine of the traction motors still sound very much like a classic British Rail EMU. Next, I made my way to North Sheen. In addition to the recently refurbished Siemens Class 450-0s, also seen in operation were the Class 458 Alstom Junipers. The 458s originally looked like this when first introduced. The trains had their cabs rebuilt as part of a major overhaul in 2013, and at the time of filming they were undergoing another major refurbishment programme. After North Sheen, I headed to Richmond. Off the cuff, I decided to go to a particular footbridge situated between St Mary's Grove and Sheendale Road. The bridge offers a superb view of the Kingston Loop and the Richmond branch of both the District Line and the North London Line. As part of the Transport for London rebrand, the North London Line will now officially become known as the Mildmay Line. After lunch, I caught 868 once again and took it to St Margarets. I would then proceed towards Teddington, Hampton Wick and Norbiton. Approaching now is one of a handful of 458s yet to receive its next refurbishment. I probably should have had a ride on this, but I wanted to make my way around the loop strictly aboard the 455s. Penultimately, I had to make one giant leap of faith for mankind onto the platforms of Clapham Junction. Here, all of South Western Railway services converge. As a result, the number of 455 seemed to jump up dramatically, and we also catch a glimpse of the remainder of SWR's rolling stock, namely the Class 444 EMUs and Class 159 DMUs. The station is also served by Southern and London Overground. Southern also used to operate with Class 455s. A change in the fleet books, however, now mean that they solely operate with Electrostars and Turbostars. Not wishing to blow my own trumpet, but here is one final uninterrupted shot of 868, and on Friday the 13th too. Lucky for some.
next train to leave platform 10 is the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Vauxhall and London Waterloo.
For carriages, please use all of the doors available on this service. First stop on this service will be Waterloo.
After hoisting myself up onto the final train of the day, I returned back to Waterloo for a few shots of the 455s in the older parts of the station. Overall, I really enjoyed myself. The weather was perfect and I wasn't bothered whilst filming at the stations I visited. I'm really glad that I had the opportunity to do this, as there might not be any 455s left the next time I come back. I will try my best to return next year and attempt to document them on a different part of the network. If you would like to watch another video that features more classic British Rail EMUs, I shall link you to one of my videos from the Merseyrail system, which features some of the last remaining Class 507s in operation prior to their retirement. If you would like to follow me, please feel free to press the subscribe button. If you liked the video, pressing the like button would be greatly appreciated, as it will help more people on YouTube to watch it too. If you would like to support the channel to make more videos like this one, you can also give me a one-time tip on Ko-fi or by pressing YouTube's Super Thanks button. As always, thank you so much for your viewership and take care.